PDQ Work Holding is a very unique company. We are the largest manufacturer of hydraulic work holding for the U.S. So we're like a large tool and die shop, but we build hydraulic fixturing that is specific for the machining industry. So anybody in the world that machines a product could use our fixturing. My name is Jerry Bushy, and I am the president and CEO of PDQ Work Holding. So PDQ here in Clemens City, we have about 75 employees. We invest in the very latest and greatest equipment. So we have 5-axis, we have mill turns. One of the newest investments, we bought some new kinds of mill turns that we're marrying up to do our cutting tools. And then we're also bought some 5-axis pallet changing machines that a guy can program it, load it up during the day, and then let it run all night unattended. Somewhere around the $18 to $20 an hour is where we start most of the kids at. And then the highest paid right now, I think, is $34 an hour. And so most of our machinists are making somewhere around 60 to 80,000 a year annually. Machining is an industry that will never die. If you're in machining, you're going to have a skilled trade that you can go anywhere in the world because there's machining everywhere in this world. So I think machining is a really good skilled trade to learn. And once you learn it, you can go work for anybody. We are hiring, we have about probably 3 or 4 openings right now. So we'll take a guy in a heartbeat that wants to learn, and we'd love to teach if you want to learn.
We were founded in 2012. Jerry Bushy and I knew each other from past employment. He had started the company PDQ Work Holding, and we decided to start Impact. My name is Aaron Schoon. My position is Vice President. Our products go to global markets, agriculture, industrial. We've grown from 0 to 248 people in 10 years.
My name is Amanda Locke, and I'm the Human Resources Administrator. You don't particularly have to have CNC machining experience to work here at Impact CNC. We take folks every day that just want to learn something new and train them to be skilled CNC operators.
All of our equipment is less than 10 years old. We have very modern machining equipment, robotics, automation, cutting tool technology. Students should explore a career in the manufacturing industry because there's a huge need for it. The compensation's getting close to the collegiate degrees. You don't have student loan hassles to deal with, and there's plenty of opportunity to advance and build a career.
My advice to anyone that's looking into a manufacturing career is to come and see us. I would love to see you. I would love to give you a tour and let you know exactly what it is that we do here. It's ever-changing here. We are growing very rapidly.
Fox Products is a manufacturer of double reed instruments. Double reed instruments is the bassoon, the oboe, the English horn, and the contrabassoon. My name is Phil Wade, and I am the operations manager at Fox Products. Our products are shipped all over the world. We do have a large following in the United States, primarily shipping to high schools and universities. We also have professional players playing our professional instruments in major symphonies. Fox Products employs 125 people here in South Whitley between 2 plants. The skills that we're looking for somebody that's willing to learn and follow instructions, but also if somebody has a background in trades, machining, or even welding, not that that's done specifically here, but those type of skills are transferable. Career in manufacturing offers a lot of opportunities because we look from within for promoting people. The advice I would give a student that is exploring a career in manufacturing is every day is an interview, no matter if it's a true interview or not. From what I've seen available in Whitley County, those students have a great opportunity to learn a vast number of skills from machining to assembly, welding, etc.
Sykes Medical focuses on developing new technologies for the orthopedic industry. And with Mock Medical, it's revolutionizing the orthopedic supply chain. My name is Greg Stalka, and I'm the founder, CEO of Sykes Medical and chairman of the board of Mock Medical. Our products are sold globally. All of our customers are in the U.S., but they are global customers. I think manufacturing is a good career for kids to pursue for a lot of reasons. I mean, it's kind of the foundation of Indiana. Indiana has a strong manufacturing economy, and there are a lot of good jobs, a lot of good paying jobs, and those aren't going to go away. The nature of them will change, but you get to go into them. You get to work, if you work somewhere like this, in a very clean environment, working on medical products that are helping people, and you get to learn as you're going through the process. Students should explore a career in manufacturing because a good paying career, it's going to be stable, especially when you're young and you know a lot of technology already. That's coming into the manufacturing space in a big way now. Success in an industry that has the opportunities for you like this really comes down to, are you motivated? Do you know how to work hard? Are you willing to put in the effort to do the learning? If you are, we will, and there's a lot of great companies here that will help you learn, help you grow in your career. If you like working with your hands and thinking and growing, look for a company that is doing the kind of work that you enjoy. But mostly look for a team that you get to work with that's focused on helping you learn, helping you grow. Coming this fall, we'll be hiring several positions.